Welcome back. This is episode 2 of our guided meditation series, and today we are practicing Metta, or loving kindness meditation. Metta is the practice of cultivating unconditional goodwill, warmth, and compassion, first toward ourselves and then radiating outward to the world around us. To begin, find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Allow your spine to be naturally tall, yet fully relaxed. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears, unclench your jaw, and rest your hands gently in your lap or on your knees. When you feel ready, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension from your day. Again, take a deep, nourishing breath in and release, letting your body settle into this present moment. Now, let your breathing return to its natural, effortless rhythm. You don't need to control it. Simply observe the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the subtle expansion and contraction of your belly. Allow your attention to rest gently on the region around your heart center. You might even place your right hand over your heart if that feels comforting, feeling the gentle warmth of your palm against your chest. We begin this practice by directing loving kindness toward ourselves. It is often said that we cannot pour from an empty cup. Visualize yourself sitting right here, just as you are. Recognize your own fundamental desire to be happy, peaceful, and free from suffering. Silently repeat these phrases in your mind, anchoring each word in your heart center. May I be happy. May I be healthy and strong. May I be safe and protected. May I live with ease. Say them to yourself again, slowly and with genuine warmth. May I be happy. May I be healthy and strong. May I be safe and protected. May I live with ease. If you notice a resistance, self-judgment, or tension arising, that is completely natural. Simply acknowledge it with gentle awareness and return to the phrases. May I be happy. May I be at peace. Now, bring to mind someone you love or care about deeply. Someone who easily brings a smile to your face, a dear friend, a partner, a mentor, or even a beloved pet. Picture them clearly in your mind's eye. See their smile, feel their energy, and notice the warmth that naturally arises when you think of them. Silently send them these same wishes of goodwill. May you be happy. May you be healthy and strong. May you be safe and protected. May you live with ease. Repeat these phrases once more, offering them as a heartfelt gift. May you be happy. May you be healthy and strong. May you be safe and protected. May you live with ease. Feel the connection between your heart and theirs, knowing that just like you, they wish to live a life of peace and comfort. Now allow that warmth in your chest to expand further. Imagine extending this sphere of goodwill beyond yourself and your loved one, out into your neighborhood, your city, your country, and eventually across the entire planet. Include people you know, strangers you pass on the street every day, and all living creatures everywhere. Recognize that every single being shares this same fundamental wish to be safe, healthy, and happy. Offer these words out into the world. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy and strong. May all beings be safe and protected. May all beings live with ease. Let the intentions echo softly through your awareness. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy and strong. May all beings be safe and protected. May all beings live with ease. Gently release the phrases and the visual imagery. Rest your mind in this open, peaceful space. Feel the quiet warmth remaining in your heart. Bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the cool air entering your nose and the warm air leaving your body. Feel the contact points of your body resting on the chair or floor beneath you. Listen to the subtle sounds in the room around you. Take one final deep breath in, gathering all the warmth and compassion you cultivated today, and exhale fully. When you feel ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your shoulders, and softly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of loving kindness with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me today.